polarity in Bagua. And this is how you actually annex these additional 8 stars into the 24 mountains. Okay, look at this, right? Like Kan Li, neither. Heaven. Sorry. Kan Li, heaven. Neither, right? Neither, right? Xun Gen. Xun and Gen. Xun and Gen is the first one. First one, right? Earth. You know, N2, S2, human dragon, middle. NW1, SE1. Okay, 1, Earth dragon, first one. Alright. And Zhen Xun. Xun and Zhen. Okay, Xun and Zhen. Okay, Xun and Zhen. Okay, Xun is Xun, sorry, correct, heaven. So this is what? South W3. Last one, human dragon. Okay, NE3, human dragon. Okay, human dragon. So to conclude, first we have the 一瓜管三山, 一瓜管三山. Okay, and that 3 mountains. Okay, each mountain equals to 1 yao. You flip and you get the 24 stars. Then you use the same theory. You flip that gua, all the 3 yao, right? You get an additional gua. Okay, it did an additional gua, and that will need to be, you will need to use that gua, the heaven, early heaven gua of that direction. Okay, to deduce where that flip all 3 gua. I mean the basically the parents gua lah. Okay, because if you notice, right, if you use any of these gua, right, yeah, the additional 8 gua will be the parents gua. Okay, so when you flip all, right, the parents gua will be the one that is the, you will need to use the host to decide where do you put it, whether it's the human dragon, the earth dragon, or the human dragon, the earth dragon, or the heaven dragon. Okay, but the shortcut is very simple lah. 子午卯酉, 子午卯酉. Okay, basically N2, S2, E2, W2 will always part onto the heaven dragon. Okay, only the ordinals that you need to decide which one is the earth dragon, which one is the man dragon, human dragon. Okay, so this is the entire theory of leaning star, the fundamentals. Okay, the theories. And then let me recap. How does the 六法 or icing comes in the picture? It's actually 乾坤高上六吉. Okay, 乾坤 copulates and produces 6 offspring, as I have shown earlier on. Okay, then you have the from that, when you have the 8 gua already, then you use the flip. Then you have the fundamentals of one Gua Governs 3 mountain. Okay, and from these 3 mountains, each mountains represent 1 yao or 1 line. Okay, then you use the fundamental of flipping Gua, changing imagery, 超咬文脚, 抽摇万象. Okay, you change, you flip, you use the mountain represent the yao, you flip the Gua, it represents to get the stars. Okay, and after you get 3 mountains, 3, 8, 24 stars, then you need to find the last one, which is you have to flip everything. So tentatively, 1 Gua will produce 4 stars. Okay, flipping each Gua's yao will only produce 3. You need to do the last step, which is to flip all 4. Okay, you flip all 3 yaos to get the 4th Gua. Okay, when you have the 4 stars, right, then you need to arrange. Okay, you need to arrange. Because the last step, you flip all 3, it doesn't bring back the parents or it doesn't bring back the parents of the it doesn't bring back the parent Gua. The parent Gua is basically Qin Quan lah, Qin Quan lah. So you need to use this method to decide, okay, where do you place that additional parents Gua on top, okay, because uh it's pretty it is all the fundamentals really. It's all the fundamentals. It's all within the fundamentals. Right. Let's say for example, right, you flip Chen Kun, right? You flip Chen Kun, right? You flip Chen Kun, you get, let's say first Ngao, first Yao. You get 对根. Okay, you get 对根. Then you use 对根 and you flip right. We take this out of the picture, and then we take this as focus. You flip back right. First Yao. Okay, you get Chen back. You see, it always returns one. You flip first Yao, it's always returns one. So it gives back you the parent Yao one. Okay, so this is the fundamental lah. Okay, so he's just playing around that. Okay, and then you populate the 24 mountains. Okay, so now we already have the stars. Okay, so the stars actually in Xuan Liu Fa, when you gotten these stars, actually you flip the one Gua, you get another Gua. You can actually interpret it differently. Okay, like this one okay, you can actually interpret as later heaven or early heaven. So in this instance, we are talking about later heaven. So 8. Okay, this is actually Gen as 8. Okay, but if it's early heaven, Gen will be 6. Okay, this is Qian is 1. A later heaven, but if early heaven, Qian will be 7. Alright, this for example, Qian is 6 later heaven, but in heaven, early heaven, this is 9. Okay, in this one, Zhen is 3. Okay, but in early heaven, this is actually 8. Okay, so normally we don't, in LiuFa, they don't really use early heaven. I'm not even sure when is it being used. Okay, I'm not even sure about that. But most of the time when they talk about period, playing with period, like they will always use the later heaven. So they will always use this. Okay, the first one. Okay, so this is the fundamentals of the basis. This is the theory behind how the formation of the leaning star in LiuFa. Okay, then later on we will talk about how do we use it, how do we apply it. Okay, that will be for later. All right, thank you.